You just started your video editing journey, or will I say you just started content creation, and you do not have the money to pay a video editor to edit your videos for you. Now you can be able to edit your videos all by yourself without the help of a video editor with these 5 easy Capcut must know for beginners. Now with these 5 tricks I'm about to tell you, you can be able to create a full video that tells a story about something. That is, you can be able to edit a full video. It might likely not be the best, but it is actually something that will tell a story. And yes, you do not need a load of courses or a bunch of tutorials for this. These are very easy steps. I'm Samuel Favor and this is Techlensive, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the 5 easy must know steps as a beginner video editor. Do well to like the video, share it with your friends that want to become video editors or content creators, and yeah, do well to ask your questions in the comment section. Before we go forward, if you want to be able to create short form videos or long form videos that you can also be able to post on any of your social media platforms, be it Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, without going through the stress of editing the video, I will leave the link in the description where you can be able to check out Short AI. Now with Short AI, you can be able to generate AI video, already story styled videos that you can be able to post on any of your social media platforms and trend, that is, and go viral, and likely even get monetized on any of your social media platform. Anyways, let's head down into the first thing you should know is splitting and deleting unwanted clips. To be able to do this, you just tap on the clip, use the split tool that is there, split the video at the beginning of where you want to start the cut and the second place where you want to end the cut, and then you click on the your video is clean in seconds. Secondly, adding the smooth zooming effect. Yes, this zooming that you actually just saw. This is how you can be able to do it. Tap the clip and then choose the keyframe. Now this first keyframe that you have chosen is the first keyframe that will be seen. That is, it is the first thing that will be. Then you move to the second part where you want the zoom to end and add the second keyframe. Now this second keyframe, in the second keyframe, you would zoom in the clip to where you want it to, and instantly you have a professional zoom effect without stress. This zoom effect helps to add a little drama in your videos, and it also helps you to zoom in to your videos and crop out the parts you do not need, especially if you do not have someone getting your recorded video for you. Now the third one is auto captioning. Now auto captioning can be done with one tap, and yes, we all know that Capcut has become a paid software, but anyways, let's head forward. Using auto caption on Capcut is very easy. You click on text, you click on auto caption, you choose the language of your choice, and Capcut will automatically transcribe your audio into subtitles. This is perfect for TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Reels, TikTok Reels, short form videos especially are where they actually use it. And also in videos like this, they are also actually used. In my videos, I actually use them too. The fourth one is background music from the Capcut library. Go to the audio section, click on sound, and pick from Capcut's free music and sound effects. Add the background music in one tap, and you can also control the volume so that your voice stays clear if your video is playing up top and the background music is playing below. As it is a background music. Now the fifth one, which is the last but not the least, is using template to save time. I think I've made a video about it. If you've not seen it, do well to click the link that is above to check it out. This is mainly knowing all the effects that you want to use during your video, from the filters to the stickers to the auto caption text. And let's even say you do not want to edit it manually by yourself, you can just go into the Capcut templates inside the Capcut application and just edit directly from the Capcut templates that other people have made, and boom, you have your video. Very easy. Now instead of building from scratch, you already have your video ready for you to go. Actually, editing doesn't really need to be hard. With these 5 tricks, I'm sure you can be able to create engaging storytelling videos that you can be able to post on all your social media platforms, be it long form videos or short form videos. Anyways, if this video helped you, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more videos like this, and yes, do well to leave a comment on the comment section. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, peace.